Another thing you may or may have not seen in the store when you came in today, a massive, two massive SMS paint wraps.
SMS standing for Scale Modeler Supply.
Scale Model Supply. It's a mouthful.
Yes.
A very Australian-owned company down there in Bendigo?
Ballarat.
Oh, Scotty down there. Australian-owned and operated. All local products, and they are fantastic if you are airbrushing. If you are airbrushing, whether it's RC,
or
plastic models, trains, anything.
Or graffiti on the wall.
Well, if you're airbrushing, why not?
It takes a while, but
it would take a while, wouldn't it?
We've always had this in the store, but only had a small amount.
And now we've got these big, massive paint racks.
Now we've got a huge amount of the stuff.
So I just wanted to bring in just a selection of some of the samples. And these are the kits. So if you're getting into it and you're doing a lot of World War II or Oz camo,
yeah,
the colours are in there, right?
Yeah,
You've got 4 or 5 or 6 different, 4 in this one, 6 different paints. And that is the basis that you need to get your camo done. So that is really good, the paint sets. Otherwise, you can choose from one of 150, 180 product lines on the shelf.
Including replicas of real Australian car colours. And we're talking 60s and 70s colours here.
Like Barbados green?
Barbados green.
That's one of them, isn't it?
That's one of them. I've used that. Huh?
Have you?
Yes. I can't remember what on, but I have used it.
That's a... geez, I'm going to get this wrong. It's going to be a Holden colour, right?
Yeah, it's a Holden colour, yeah. It's from Monaro.
HQ? I want to say GTS.
I think yeah. I think that's it.
But yeah, Barbados green.
It's not green, it's more a yellow.
HK Rocket Red.
Well,
that'll be for
that's
Holden
named
HK.
after you.
Is it? Red Rocket.
Red Rocket.
They also do primers.
Yeah.
There's the surfacer.
There's a number of different primers.
So that comes
They've got an S primer as well.
A bigger jar. This one's named after Scotty Rawlings.
Yeah.
Flex.
Yep.
Now this is not a product that you personally use.
I don't
However,
think you need it.
I do. Just because, I don't know, I just want the security that anything I paint on is going to last me as long as it can until the bodies fall apart.
I've never had anything.
Your paints do not come off.
No. So I don't think you need it.
But it is. If you're
I've had this argument with Scotty and he said, oh, you know, no, you don't.
But if you're doing polycarbonate or whatever. Or polyparrot.
Yep.
This is what Scott recommends.
Yeah.
It's just a flex additive polymer that you put into your paint.
And no one tests their body shells more than I do in terms of paint.
That's true. And some of the paint pigments, I mean, we're really not going to struggle to pick them up.
You're not going to see.
You're not going to pick them up.
They've got a big range of pearls and stuff.
That's why I grabbed some of these ones, right? Because they're absolutely gorgeous.
And the color change ones are brilliant.
Like this one.
Yeah.
Oh, no, that's not a color change. I did bring one just for that.
There's a color shift there.
There's a color shift. Toxic Spill. It is really,
that's what it's
really
like
nice.
In the toilet here after you've been in.
Is it? Probably. Yeah. And this is one of their new ones.
Yeah, I've tried that one.
Hollow Shift Starburst.
These are really, really good. Now,
such a good pigment, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, there's just and there's V-line orange.
Yeah.
So there's rail colors as well.
These are solvent-based paints.
Yep.
So you really, unlike me, should wear a mask when you're painting it, because the stuff stinks like hell.
You get a headache. It's not good for your health. Probably not good for your lungs.
No. In fact, it probably explains a lot about me that I can't smell it anymore.